How to change the lock screen wallpaper on Redmi 14C and customize it to your liking. Start by opening Settings on your device. Go to Wallpaper and Personalization. Find the lock style subsection on the screen, and here you can see different lock styles, so just scroll through until you find the one you'd like the most. We can choose this one, for example, and press the Customize button, then the Apply button, and let's check. Great! Now when you lock and unlock your screen, you'll see the new style. To set your photo on the lock screen, launch the gallery or photo app, find the photo you want to set as your wallpaper, select it, and then press the Set as Wallpaper button. Now the program will ask you for the permission to access the media files. Tap Allow and Apply. Then tap Set as Lock Screen. Also, the program asks you to turn on Wallpaper Carousel. I will not do that right now. A lock screen wallpaper is applied. It's done. To personalize widgets on the lock screen, go to Settings. Select Wallpaper and Personalization. In the Lock Style section, you can choose any style you'd like. Let's choose this one and press Customize. Here we can change widgets icons. For example, we can add some text. To add widget for temperature, equality, UV index, humidity, pressure, and here we can change data widget and time widget as well. Also, if you'd like, you can change the font and color of digits. Just choose your favorite colors. And after all the changes, press Done button and apply. Voila! Now the lock screen matches all your preferences and looks unique. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put the like.